Something rather intriguing. Piece of old gear. This used to be a capacitor. It looked like it blew up. Even distorted this thing. Weird stuff. And that was in this unit here. And it actually, so much energy. Where are we here? Push that down. Which is intriguing, and blew up here and caused something weird stuff. I don't know, this is, how can it bend this? Fixable, but it's so strange. Oh, and I think it caused a bit of a bulge here too. Tubes are okay. I think they'd be wrecked, but they're not. 2 tubes are missing. This is weird too. I think they're 2 dual 12. Let's see, yeah. Hard to see through iPad. I thought it was a 12AT7. That top one is, bottom one's a 6. AU6. Okay. Got those. That thing is bent. Why that is, I don't know. Here's a case. Seems to be okay. There's where it blew up. All those brown dots. Interesting. Yes, I know. So. This was a hell of an explosion, I think. For some reason, this is loose. Came off. Okay. Wonder why. This is weird. Where are we here? That's distorted. That's very odd. That's what was that? Okay. Weird science. I guess it. Oh well. Maybe it caused such an explosion. I don't know. But interesting. So everything else is okay, and I guess I'll simply get a capacitor and repair it and see if it works. I checked it over. It seems everything is A-okay. Okay. Oh. I'll use some JB weld or something here, a screw or something. Very interesting. Signal generator. Gerald signal generator. Okay, so mysteries. Okie doke. Well, what's that one, I guess? I've come across in repairing some of this stuff with some weird things, you know? Let's figure out, remember what else is weird. Well, there's a lot. Oh, the stuff that went to Germany. The oscilloscopes were not working, which they were. Oh, I don't know. Who knows what it means? But that bulged. I think it's it would be a pyranol, I would think. Probably square. but to distort the ring, the holder for it, I would think it used to be square. I don't know. Interesting mystery, whatever it is.